Hello everyone. Today we will discuss organizing system and procedures for project implementation. We will cover this topic in two videos. In first video, we will discuss basic concept of project implementation, project manual and project control system. In the second video, we will discuss work breakdown structure. So let's start with the topic, that is organizing system and procedures for project implementation. This topic is basically related with project implementation phase in project process. If you consider project life cycle, then this is the last stage, that is project implementation. In the implementation phase, what we people do, we try to implement various plans and we try to control the whole project. So these are the things we will cover in this topic. First of all, it's about design of system. System means how you will implement various plans, how you will implement the project. That is known as system here. They said when you are designing the system to implement any project, there are 3 points which you will keep in your mind, that is, system must be as natural as possible. It means as a project manager, you have to develop a very simple structure, a very simple system to implement any project. System must be information, means the procedure which you are adopting, which you are communicating to your team members, that must be informative enough. Information means how your team members will execute the project, give detailed information regarding this aspect. Third one is must have provision for external intervention. Now, what is the meaning of external intervention? Suppose, according to a law, according to government, your project is having some negative impact on the environment, and government make it mandatory for your company to go for social audit. Now, social audit will be a program under which project manager have to submit report to authorities, to the concerned authorities, regarding positive and negative impact of the project on the society. So if government is one of the external party, so if external party is imposing certain laws on your company, then your project implementation system must have provision for external intervention, or you can say your project must be flexible enough. Your implementation phase must be flexible enough that project manager is able to incorporate any external interventions. So these are the 3 steps which as a project manager you have to keep in your mind. Next is project management system must consist of implementation phase will include the 2 important things. One is project work system, under work system, you people will decide how you will do the work, how you will perform the task. So under this topic, project work system, we further discuss the two important points, that is work breakdown structure and PERT, that is project evaluation review technique. So these are the two techniques which a project manager can use for project work system. So system is basically the structure, the flow, how you will perform the activities. Second is project control system. Of course, until or unless you are not controlling activities of your team members, your subordinates, then it will be very difficult for your company to achieve objectives of the project. So control will be everywhere. Control will go along with the planning phase or the different phases in the project life cycle. So when you are designing this system under project implementation phase, you have to decide two things. One is project work system, how you will perform the work, how your employees, your workers will perform the work. And second is project control system, how you will control activities of your workers. Now here I have one structure which is showing different aspects of work requiring control. This is the design of project management system. So it have certain components. When you are designing the project management system, then you will cover two aspects. One is the information regarding the project, information regarding various components which are required in order to accomplish the project, information about your work members. Second, it will include aspects of work requiring control. Requiring control means when a project manager is implementing the project, then which are the things he will control, which are the things, which are the elements he will give more focus, so that the all team members are able to achieve the objective. So here we have elements, that is the time, material, cost, communication, man, contract, contact with the various parties like the suppliers, like the government agencies, then the fund, finance. These are the different components, these are the different elements which a project manager will control while implementing your project implementation phase. Now next we have project work system design. So project work system design include work breakdown structure and project execution plan. Now when you as a project manager, you are deciding on project work system, means what are the things which we will perform within a particular project. So then you can adopt two techniques. One is work breakdown structure and second is project execution plan. Now what is work breakdown structure? Breakdown means breaking the things into number of parts, number of elements. So in project, a project manager can break the project into number of different parts, and he can assign the responsibility of each part to each worker. So that system, when the project manager is dividing the whole work into different elements, that is known as your work breakdown structure. I will upload one video related with work breakdown structure also, and in that video we will explain in detail, we will discuss in detail regarding work breakdown structure. So for today it is sufficient for you people that if you learn basic meaning of work breakdown structure. So breaking the work, entire activity into number of these sub events, sub parts, so that is known as your work breakdown structure. And what is project execution plan? Plan is, of course, when you are deciding in advance regarding different activities like contracting plan, work packaging plans, organizational plan, system plan, procedure plan. So the project manager, when he is deciding the work system, he will take the decision on work breakdown structure and project execution plan. Next we have number of topics, so that will be difficult to cover in one video, and I will upload one more video related with this topic. I hope you will like this video. Thank you everyone.